Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video on Salesforce Bold. Guys, this video is related to another Dreamin event around the corner and ready to kick off. This video is related to Yarl Dreamin happening at Sri Lanka. This is the first community-led Salesforce conference happening at Sri Lanka. And like every other Salesforce conference, every other Dreamin event, this will be also following the core key values of Salesforce, which is learning something new, sharing your knowledge with others, giving back to the community, and fourth and the most important one is the networking, to have a good network. I will be joining this event this time in person and I will be speaking on a specific topic as well as a speaker. Let me give you more details on their website. One of its kind event, guys. So if you need more details, just go on Google, search for Yarl Dreamin. So as I told you already, this is going to be the community-led Salesforce event at Sri Lanka, and they are having a good line of speakers available here. Some of them will be joining us virtually, and some of us will be going there in person and will be sharing our knowledge with others. So this Yarl Dreamin is having a very good line of speakers here. You can see here. They are already having a good line of sponsors as well. They are also having a great organizing team, community group leaders joining this event, and the soul of every event, the volunteers will be contributing in it as well. If you are also planning to join us there in person, then you can simply go to their website and hit the registration button before it sells out. So, what are you waiting for? If you're planning to join, make sure to register. I'll see you there.